My name is Anthony Allen, welcome here to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Cashapp.
It's the one and only Anthony Allen.
So as I just mentioned in the introduction to this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Cashapp. I'm going to take you through this step by step. If you've enjoyed this video, it's helpful to you in any way, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another video on my channel like this one. Now without further ado, I'm going to screen share the application with you. I'm going to take you through it step by step.
The first thing you want to do is you want to look for your designated app or Google Play Store. Once inside, you want to search for Cashapp. You can see that I've already done this here. And you can also see the iCloud icon, meaning I've previously downloaded this application to my iPhone, as I'm using an iPhone. The application is 100% free to use, and you want to click that download button in order to download Cashapp. Once this is downloaded, you want to open the application. The first thing Cashapp will ask for is your mobile phone number. Enter this, and when entered, click the big green next button. Cashapp will then send you a security code to your number in a form of a text message. You enter this, and then we're brought to this screen. On this screen, you have the option of adding a bank using your debit card. Now, if you're not comfortable with this yet and you still want to use Cashapp for receiving payments, you can press the skip button in order to skip this stage. The next stage is to enter your full legal name. Now I entered my entire full legal name, and I will be censoring some of this on screen as I don't want everybody knowing my full legal name for sensitive information reasons. Once you've entered your name, select next. This will now create essentially a username known as a cash tag. You can change this as your cash tag or username needs to be unique to your account. This is how other users can identify your Cashapp account in order to send you money. Create a username that hasn't already been taken. You can see that I tried a few times here and a few names were already taken and made unavailable for me to use. I then came up with a combination that was suitable and recognizable for me and for other users that will be able to send me income or know who sent them any money. Think of your cash tag like your YouTube name account or an email address. It's unique to you. Once you've found your cash tag, select the next button to go to the next screen. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your postcode. Enter your postcode, and once you've entered it, select next. This will then bring you to the next page, which is the referral page. You can invite friends and get £5 each. The person you invite that will sign up for Cashapp will receive a free £5, but you will also receive £5 for inviting that person to Cashapp. I will be leaving my Cashapp referral code and my Cashapp referral direct link in the description of this video. Click that link in the description or use the referral code in the description in order to receive your first free £5 via Cashapp when you sign up through that referral link or using my referral code. If you would like to get started with the app and you're not sure if you want to send out referral links just yet, you can click the skip button. Congratulations, you have now set up your Cashapp account. So let's have a quick look around at the various things that are on screen so we can better understand what we can do with Cashapp. This page, which we're going to call the cash page for now, is where you can send and receive payments. This is where you pay somebody or request a payment from somebody else. You can see which screen we're on as the icon down below will be highlighted. We're now going to navigate our way to our Cashapp wallet. This will show us how much money or cash we have within our wallet. With many online digital wallets, you can also have cards, debit cards from other finance service providers, for example a Visa debit card connected to your account. This page, this wallet, will show you what cards you have linked to your account. Linking a debit card or credit card to an online wallet will allow you to make purchases through your online wallet, in this case Cashapp. So linking your debit or credit card to your Cashapp account will allow you to make purchases, spend money or send money via your debit card. The best way to explain this is, imagine you've walked into a physical store that sells physical Bitcoin and you need your wallet with your card in it in order to pay at the checkout. If you forget your wallet, you don't have your cards. The really cool thing about digital wallets is you don't actually physically have to have a physical wallet in order to make a payment. You can make a payment with the debit card that you have stored within your digital online wallet. In this case, the wallet provider is Cashapp. So let's now click on the bank icon or wallet icon, if you will, to see what this looks like. Brilliant. So this is where you can link a new debit card, see what debit cards or banks are connected to your Cashapp, and also have a look at deposits and transfer information. Much like the traditional physical wallets we used to use quite often, we also store actual cash. So you can see up above there is a balance of how much cash is available within my Cashapp wallet. Making our way back to the home screen by clicking the cash icon, I'm going to enter an amount of cash. From this point you can pay somebody this amount or you can request this amount. This can be done easily and seamlessly within Cashapp, and that's what makes this application great. It's quite easy once you understand it. Now we're going to select this icon on the bottom right corner of Cashapp. This icon looks like a clock face. Let's tap it to see what it does. Cashapp is asking me if I would like to receive push notifications. This is brilliant because you will receive notifications on your phone when there is a change within your Cashapp account or wallet. This could be, for example, that you have just received money from another Cashapp user. I'm going to turn this on, but of course you can select not now, or if you're on Android you can select what option it gives you to decline this option. You will then find yourself on this screen where it's notifying you of any activity on your account. We are now going to select this profile picture icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. This will bring you to a screen full of your profile information, included with a name and your cash tag, as well as an invitation referral code button where you can click and refer friends to the Cashapp application service. Personal, which is basically telling you what type of account you have, and you can click this if you so choose to for more information. Privacy and security settings, notifications, support from the Cashapp team, and advanced settings. You can also click for your referral code, and you can sign out of your Cashapp account if you have multiple accounts. Now we're going to select this really cool but slightly important icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. This is really cool, and it's also a very cool common trait of online wallet services. This is a personal QR barcode connected to your Cashapp wallet account. By somebody scanning this QR barcode, they will be able to pay you seamlessly without having to enter all the relevant information. Somebody would not have to manually enter the information applicable in order to pay you from their Cashapp account. They can simply scan this QR barcode and then they will be able to enter the amount in order to pay you. You will be able to easily share your QR barcode over the internet by clicking the share icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. That will enable you to be able to share your QR barcode, but you can also scan somebody else's QR barcode with the scan button down below. You can also visit the official Cashapp website. From this website, you can sign into your account, but there is also additional information about Cashapp on a whole. For example, it lets you know various things that you can do within the application, most of which I've taught you here in this video today. There are more things that you can do with Cashapp. For example, you can purchase stock, but you can also purchase Bitcoin. Cashapp is completely free to use. By selecting the sign in and entering your phone number, requesting a sign-in code, you can sign in to your account online to see if there's any activity or changes in your account.
If this video has been helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. It's really helpful when you do that. And of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Always remember to stay to the end of each tutorial video that I give on my channel, because I always have another video at the end within the end card that relates to the one that you're watching now. So if you've made it to the end of this video, you're going to enjoy the next video that's going to appear in the end card. And that end card is coming up right now, and I'll see you in the next video.